gonna be another boring, beautiful day today in Los Angeles with a high of 70.
평화로운 LA의 아침.
2 eggs for you, yeah, Gracie?
Eggs are gross.
딸의 반찬 투정으로 아침을 맞이하는 한 가족이 있습니다. 그들의 아침은 여느 집처럼 평화로워 보이는데
He's a good kid.
They're all good kids. Gotta go to work.
하지만 출근하는 윌의 표정은 어딘가 어두워 보였죠.
Take care of them, okay?
직장에 도착한 윌은 동료들과 이야기를 나누고
You all right, Parko?
My brother got sent up. Factory.
This is the worst part of it, you know? Husbands separated from wives, parents from children.
공장이라 불리는 장소에 동료의 가족이 끌려갔다는 소식을 듣습니다.
Rat bastards. Just come with me. Good luck, hermano. Careful.
사실 지금 LA는 더 이상 평범한 도시가 아니었습니다. 정체불명의 외계 세력에 의해 점령당해 일상적으로 누리던 모든 일들을 철저히 통제받으며 살아가고 있었죠.
ID, please. What are you carrying?
Fuel cells.
You're clear.
주요 도시들은 콜로니로 나뉘어 구역이 봉쇄되고 통금 시간부터 음식, 의료 지원까지 모든 것을 통제당하며 조금이라도 규칙을 어기면 공장이라는 미지의 공간으로 끌려갑니다. 그리고 그곳에 가면 영영 돌아오지 못했죠. 누군가가 소리 소문 없이 사라지는 일이 반복되는 이 세상에서 윌과 케이티 또한 이 사건으로 사랑하는 아들을 잃은 사람 중 하나였습니다.
You're late, Sully.
Payments in advance.
Here's your Santa Monica ID. Give me your LA one. You got nothing to worry about.
오늘은 윌의 아이를 찾기 위해 그린존으로 향할 위험한 계획을 실행하는 날이었죠.
Going to find my son. We were separated during arrival.
그린존은 인간들을 배신하고 외계 세력에 충성하며 부를 유지하고 있는 부유층들이 사는 구역으로 일반인들의 출입이 철저히 통제되는 곳이었죠.
Scanners are infrared.
My box kills X-ray and thermal.
연료 배달부로 완벽 위장해 무사히 검문소를 통과하게 되는데 그때
Spider's got you covered.
근처에서 폭탄 테러가 발생하고 윌은 결국 체포되고 맙니다. 같은 시각 윌의 아내 케이티는 당뇨를 앓고 있는 조카를 위해 인슐린을 구하러 다니고 있습니다.
I heard you make insulin. Certain conditions are deemed unworthy for treatment. Diabetes is one of them. Raps are culling weakness from the herd.
의료 지원이 제한되면서 약을 구하는 것은 쉽지가
Think
않았죠.
supplies of insulin are nearly gone. About how to extract insulin from the pancreas of a canine. An artist finds herself in doubt, she should consult with the old masters.
겨우 인슐린을 판매하는 곳을 찾아냈지만 어쩐지 구린내가 풀풀 풍기는데
This has to be kept cold. It's way too hot in here. And it's cloudy. I'm not buying your shitty insulin. A trade is a trade.
예상이 적중하자
Put it down.
케이티도 참지 않습니다.
Let her go.
지금 이 도시에서 살아남기 위해선 어쩔 수 없이 강해져야만 했죠.
Come on, baby.
한편 감옥에 수감되어 집으로 돌아가지 못하고 있는 윌.
On your knees. Hands behind your head. I'm looking for Will Bowman.
Where are you taking me?
You're going to the GZ Green Zone.
수상한 곳으로 호출되어 한 남자를 만나게 되는데
Alan Schneider. I'm the proxy governor of our little block here.
스나이더는 현재 이 구역의 행정 책임자로 외계 세력에 충성을 맹세한 부유층 중 한 사람이었죠.
I understand you bagged something like 50 fugitives in your stint with them?
윌의 본명은 윌 보우먼으로 전직 FBI 요원이자 도주자 추적자였지만 능력 있는 요원들은 모조리 없애버리던 외계 세력의 눈을 피해 그동안 신분을 숨기며 살아왔습니다. 그런 윌에게 스나이더는 새로운 임무를 제안하는데
Because our hosts are tired of the insurgency. Guys with your training, you're a rare breed these days.
You want me to collaborate?
Infiltrate the insurgency and bring us their leader, Geronimo.
이 외계 세력을 유일하게 위협하는 단체 레지스탕스 내부에 침투하여 단체의 주인을 찾아내라는 것이었죠.
And when I tell you to piss off?
You have committed crimes that must be punished in accordance with occupational law. And you and your wife and your children, I'm sorry, but you'll all be sent to the factory.
그렇게 스나이더와의 대화 후 무사히 집으로 돌아오게 된 윌.
Proxy Snyder offered me a job. He wants me to hunt down the resistance.
To collaborate? If you do it, you're putting a target on your back. As far as the resistance is concerned, collaborate and you die.
윌의 말을 들은 케이티는 스나이더와 같이 일하는 것을 굳고 말리는데
Hungry?
다음날 스나이더는 윌의 집까지 찾아오죠.
You're going to have access to things that were previously unavailable.
이 일을 맡게 되면 가족들을 지킬 수 있고 불을 누릴 수 있다는 달콤한 미끼로 그들을 유혹하기 시작하죠.
Your children will be assigned private tutors. Only thing is, I'm going to need an answer before I leave.
결국 윌은 스나이더의 제안을 받아들이는데 대신 조건을 하나 덧붙입니다.
You want my help? We want our son back. We were separated during the invasion. He's in Santa Monica.
Good things come to the loyal.
다음날 윌이 출근한 사이 또다시 혼자 어디론가 향하는 케이티.
I'm here for breakfast.
You're a bit early. Come with me.
그런데
You have someone on the inside.
Who?
Me. The occupation just hired my husband to hunt us down.
윌이 잡아들이도록 명령받은 레지스탕스 요원 그 대상이 바로 케이티였죠. 한편 새로운 직장에서 첫 출근을 하게 된 윌.
This is your ID. Wear it around your neck at all times.
How exactly did they rope you into doing that?
I volunteered.
You know, I was surrounded by red hats. I volunteered too. Oh, come on. If you're going to work for me, you're going to need to laugh once in a while.
Were you under the impression that you were going to be in charge here?
하지만 스나이더의 말과 다르게 윌은 책임자가 아닌 평범한 직원으로 고용된 것이었고 그와 같이 일할 상사 필리스를 처음 만나게 됩니다.
You did an impressive job of hiding these past months. Our job is to keep the peace. And hopefully, your skills will go a long way toward that end.
Am I still looking for Geronimo, or did Snyder lie about that?
No, that is the ultimate goal, but every journey has its first step.
윌이 맡은 첫 번째 임무는 자신이 수감됐던 날 차에 폭탄을 설치한 인물을 추적하는 것이었습니다.
Take Bo with you. Maybe you can inspire him to do something useful.
새로운 파트너 보와 함께 수사를 시작하죠. 윌은 먼저 용의자의 여자친구가 살고 있는 집으로 향하는데
Homeland already hit this place just yesterday. Why come back?
You know as well as I do, when you're scared, you go back to what you know.
윌의 예상은 적중했고
Hi, Teresa? I said Andy's been around a lot lately. Used to tell that bomb went off. Red Hats are coming back soon, and they're going to tear this building apart brick by brick. Have a nice day.
Where are we going?
Round back.
여자친구 집 뒷문으로 도망치려던 용의자를 바로 제압하죠. 능숙하게 일을 처리하고 복귀한 윌. 사무실에서 익숙한 얼굴을 마주합니다.
What are you doing here? Red Hats hit the garage this morning.
바로 이전 직장 동료 카를로스였죠.
They killed Parco and they took me. All because of the fuel cells that I helped you steal.
윌은 자신을 도와주다 잡혀온 카를로스를 구하기 위해 그를 정보원으로 등록시켜 감옥에서 빼내기로 결심합니다.
I'm going to find out what happened to him, then I'm going to get you out of here. There's a mechanic down in Holding named Carlos. Good job, right? I need good CIs, and Carlos is connected all over town.
It's a bit early for favors.
윌은 약속대로 카를로스의 아내와 아들을 위한 새로운 신분과 거처를 마련해주죠.
We need new IDs.
Sarah,
Come. I have a space for you.
You'll be okay. You'll be good.
한편 윌이 추적하고 있는 레지스탕스 요원 중 한 명인 케이티는 윌이 일을 시작한 이후 그에게서 입수한 정보들을 조직에 하나하나 전달하기 시작합니다.
I understand you have some information on the Gateway bombing.
They're going to use him to roll up the rest of the South.
That's why we need to help them hide before it's too late. We're close to executing an operation that will do meaningful damage. But if this other cell is captured, everything we worked for will be at risk. We need your help, Katie.
남편의 정보를 넘겨야 하는 이중 스파이로서 케이티의 역할은 매우 중요해지는데 그만큼 케이티의 죄책감도 커져가죠.
I love you. Okay?
같은 시각 카를로스의 가족을 도와주고 복귀하는 윌.
What happened to the prisoners that were in here?
Factory?
카를로스가 사라진 걸 알게 되는데
They sent Carlos, my CI, to the factory. I told you that I need him. You're talking about someone's life.
lots of decisions will always be made above our heads. That's just how it is. Have people already forgotten the arrival? Do you really think a handful of guerrillas is going to make a difference against them?
윌은 자신을 도와줬던 친구를 구하지 못한 죄책감과 현실의 무력감에 괴로워하죠.
I couldn't get Carlos out.
That's not your fault.
케이티는 그런 윌을 위로해줍니다.
No, he helped you because he was your friend. We live in a moment where we do what we have to do for the people that we love.
What the hell am I doing?
You are protecting family.
하지만 위로도 잠시 윌은 또 다른 작전 현장으로 불려가고
I'm sorry. Looks like it's gonna be another late one.
Be safe.
그를 배웅하던 케이티는 또다시 그의 동선을 레지스탕스에 보고하죠.
He's headed over there right now.
You have an address?
Where La Cienega meets the wall, does that mean anything to you?
Yeah.
윌은 그런 케이티의 행동은 상상조차 못한 채 현장에 도착하는데
They'd be dumb enough to be hanging out right next to their own dead drop.
갑자기 들려온 총소리.
Damn it.
그곳에 있던 조직원들은 이미 모두 죽어 있었습니다.
Hell, did they know we're coming? Because we have a leak.
윌이 내부 스파이에 대한 의심을 키워가고 있던 때 그 시각 케이티는 또다시 누군가와의 은밀한 접선을 위해 어디론가 향하고 있습니다.
Hopefully you won't need it, but if you do, it's point click.
Hey, you'll be great.
케이티는 레드햇 차량을 습격하는 작전에 투입되죠.
Mayday, Mayday, TU-16! Hijack in progress!
Hey, we're getting an audience.
Hey man, let us in on this. We don't need help. Get off the street.
이들이 방심하던 그때
Down!
전도 중 함께 투입된 동료 저스틴이 총상을 입고 옵니다.
We're gonna get you help. Come on. Okay. I don't know what to do. We can't move him. Oh my God, we can't leave him!
순식간에 아수라장이 되어버린 현장.
Katie, move. That's enough. He's gone.
에디는 상황 정리를 위해 오히려 저스틴을 편히 보내주고 케이티는 눈앞에서 동료의 죽음을 겪자 큰 충격을 받습니다.
We're out. Come on. Hold on!
케이티는 집에 돌아와서도 쉽사리 진정되지 않는데 몸에 묻은 피를 급하게 닦아내지만 평소와 다른 그녀의 모습은 금세 윌의 눈에 띄고 말죠.
Hey, what's... Katie, come on.
한편 윌의 아들 브렘은
Hey, shut the door.
학교에서 선생님에게 몰래 무언가를 건넵니다. 바로 제레니모의 라디오 방송을 녹음한 테이프였죠.
What matters is what we do with our frustration. Tom's package exploded inside the Santa Monica Gateway. Tom is a genuine American hero. What if we all found the courage to push back?
레지스탕스는 사람들을 성동하기 위한 방송을 줄곧 해오고 있었고 브렘은 부모님 몰래 레지스탕스의 방송을 듣고 있던 것입니다.
You see the launch the other night? It was different though, wasn't it? The noise, it's very perceptive. The last 3 nights, I've been monitoring the skies, and it's in the Earth's low orbit, something huge. What exactly is happening up there?
같은 시각 윌은 저스틴의 시체를 확인하고 그가 레지스탕스와 연관돼 있다는 것을 눈치챕니다.
Looks like somebody tried to help before you.
No ID tags, like somebody didn't want him telling any stories.
Whoever did this left a body behind. Looks like they executed him.
Homeland found this before you arrived.
Geronimo.
그렇게 수사가 시작되는데
Come in like stormtroopers. Parents are out front. You try.
수사는 가혹하리만치 냉정했죠.
Look for photos and anything handwritten.
What's that?
We found a couple of these before. We think it's how they communicate.
죄인의 집인 것 마냥 마구 헤집어 놓더니 아들을 잃은 부모님조차 가차없이 공장으로 보내버리자 강압적인 제재에 윌은 불만을 느낍니다.
They lost their son today. We don't have to send them away.
They'll think twice before getting involved and putting their families at risk.
한편 아침의 폭동으로 마음이 진정되지 않은 케이티.
Thanks for coming. What happened today? It was terrible, I know.
하지만 동료의 부름에 또 어디론가 향하는데
Been involved in a lot of operations. That one didn't go well.
Is that how you explain what you did to Justin?
I did what had to be done. If I'm ever in the same situation, I hope you do the same for me. Your man just hit Justin's house.
I know.
Did they give up anything? They take anything? What they
I
take from the
don't
house?
know.
I need you to go back to him and find out. You have to, Katie.
동료는 냉정하게 케이트의 역할을 알려주고
I mean, I thought it would take a year for the counterinsurgency to get to this level. We need to shut him down.
사실 일을 너무 잘하고 있는 윌 때문에 제르니모의 피해도 한둘이 아니었죠.
Tell Katie, the math here is simple. Her intel needs to outweigh the damage that her husband is doing to us.
동료 에릭 또한 상사로부터 오는 압박에 케이트를 다그칠 수밖에 없었는데
Will is furious. Will can be one of two things to us. An asset or a hazard. With you on board, he's an asset.
But if you're not, he'll put himself in danger the moment he signed up for that job, same as you. But if you can't provide more actionable intel, then Will needs to get a lot worse at his job.
KT는 더욱 커진 부담감을 안고 집으로 돌아옵니다. 그러곤 한동안 문을 닫았던 맥주바로 향하죠.
How's everybody doing? Cheers! This one's on the house. You can pay for the beer. Ready?
콜로니 이후 음주조차 금지되었던 이 도시에서 KT의 바가 다시 운영되자 사람들에게 숨쉴 틈이 되어주었죠.
You want another one?
Yeah.
Man, it's crowded here.
Yeah, it's gonna be until curfew.
그런데 스나이더가 등장하고 갑자기 분위기는 싸해집니다.
I wanted to personally stop in and say how proud we are to have the Yonk back open and contributing to the community once again.
What's your stake in all this?
No one can change our present situation. It's immovable. So instead, everyone needs to try to appreciate the good things.
사이비 교주 같은 말만 늘어놓고 가는 스나이더를 보며 안 그래도 착잡했던 KT가 폭발하고
I miss Charlie so much I can barely breathe, but there's got to be another way. Something rationalized, but we can't trust him. Listen, you saw the power of your new ID. Maybe we use that and we all sneak into Santa Monica together.
모든 걸 포기하고 위험한 도주를 할 생각을 하는데
Listen to me! And if it doesn't work, all of us go to the factory. They got all kinds of information from before their arrival. My boss, if I can figure out how it works, and we can use it.
그동안 일을 해오며 점령자들의 힘이 얼마나 강력한지 그들이 얼마나 잔혹한지 직접 보았던 윌은 가족들을 위험에 빠뜨릴 수 없었죠.
That on the house?
No, I know how they got to Justin in the armory. So this huge database of information, and more importantly, they have a woman who knows how to manipulate it. First, I want to make a deal. My husband is never harmed.
You have my word.
윌을 막지 못한 KT는 다시 한번 그를 지키기 위해 레지스탕스에 정보를 넘깁니다. 다음날 아침 견학을 나가는 딸 그레이시를 배웅하는 KT.
Bye, Mrs. Bowman. Bye.
딸이 떠난 후 KT는 거실에 걸려있는 액자를 떼어내고는 조용히 주방으로 향합니다. 곧이어 집안에 불이 나고 KT는 침착하게 불을 끈 뒤 윌에게 신고를 하죠.
I found this. Miss Bowman, my name is Jennifer McMahon. I need you to come down to our office. Like Geronimo was sending a message.
I wonder how you knew I was working with your team.
You think I'm involved?
I don't know, are you?
Are you serious?
Dude, let's just chill out.
그렇게 KT는 윌의 사무실로 향하고 윌의 상사인 필리스를 직접 마주하게 되죠.
Let me talk to Katie for a minute. Right this way?
사실 이 모든 것은 필리스를 직접 대면하기 위한 KT의 계획이었습니다.
So take me through what happened.
I heard a crash in the living room. I saw the fire. I grabbed the fire extinguisher.
And the attacker? What did he look like?
He was dressed all in black with a mask over his face.
So this attacker throws a bomb into your house and then lets you get a look at him?
하지만 필리스의 집요한 신문에 KT는 당황을 감추지 못하고
How did you and Will meet?
Came into my bar.
Don't you miss the South?
Sorry, what does any of this have to do with finding who firebombed my house? I don't know what you're getting at, but Will and I trust each other.
Good.
윌의 물음에 그녀는 한마디도 하지 못한 채 나가죠.
You know, it's over. It's fine. I really want to go home.
아내의 모습을 이상하게 여긴 윌은 곧장 필리스를 찾아가는데
I've always been valued for being able to see the truth about things. But that's become a lot harder since the arrival. We lie to everyone. We lie out of fear. We lie to protect ourselves.
필리스는 윌에게 무언가를 보여줍니다.
Homeland found these in your son's bedroom. Apparently he's been taping Geronimo's broadcasts.
바로 브렘이 그동안 녹음했던 제로니모의 방송 테이프였죠.
If these tapes were to get logged into the system, there's nothing I could do. But if they're sitting in my drawer,
Appreciate that.
that you go back home and be sure that these tapes aren't the only thing that you've missed.
브렘이 위험해질 수 있다는 생각에 놀란 윌은 서둘러 집으로 돌아가 브렘을 다그치기 시작하고
What do you think you're doing?
It's not that big of a deal.
It's a huge deal. How do you know when the broadcasts are happening?
It's in the posters.
브렘은 생각보다 깊게 제로니모에 대해 연구해오고 있었죠.
It's a signal broadcast is coming. This is a code.
You figured this out yourself?
Me and some of my friends. So what's gonna happen to me?
I'm gonna fix this.
그 시각 레지스탕스 본부를 찾은 KT.
I believe in this cause. I have proven my loyalty to you, but I cannot live with a gun pointed at my family's head.
You won't be touched.
Point out Will's boss to me.
This is her. Her name is Phyllis.
그녀는 위를 지키는 조건으로 무사한 데이터베이스를 책임지고 있는 필리스의 정보를 넘깁니다.
Welcome to day 348 of our occupation. What he could do that week to make ends meet.
한편 윌은 아들이 위험할 수 있다는 생각에 누구보다 빠르게 레지스탕스 방송 DJ를 잡아들이고 있었죠.
By the time Ocho heard the first signs of the drones, it was over. My fellow colonists, they cannot take from you, my fellow colonists. Will is hope.
하지만 그는 제로니모가 아닌 한낱 DJ였고
Your friends fired on my house this morning. Who's Geronimo?
I'm Geronimo. Bullshit.
윌은 자꾸만 초조해지는데
Yo, anything?
Nothing yet.
The detainee said this is where he picked up the radio scripts. Right.
The green zone.
제로니모가 점령자들과 아주 가까운 곳에 있었다는 중요한 정보를 알아냅니다.
Geronimo's in the green zone?
Snyder's not gonna be happy.
Happy, but I'll handle it. I destroyed your son's tapes.
Really?
It's a shame how few people we have who we can really trust, isn't it?
필리스의 도움으로 윌은 위기를 넘길 수 있게 되죠. 그날 저녁 케이티는 오늘도 가게 오픈 준비에 한창인데
Come have a drink with me.
필리스가 그녀를 찾아온다.
This was my husband's favorite. Mine was an officer in the British Special Air Service. Ed didn't know what I'd done. He loved me too much.
Why are you telling me this?
Will reminds me so much of Ed. And so in love with his wife that he doesn't see her for what she is.
그녀가 레지스탕스의 요원임을 눈치챈 필리스는 케이트를 협박하기 시작합니다.
The people that you've gotten involved with are not who they appear to be. These kinds of movements prey on idealists like you. You're wondering if you have a choice. You don't. You work for me now.
그녀를 이용해 레지스탕스 일원들을 모두 잡아들이려 하죠.
I have a new asset. I think she'll be very valuable. Their perception of time makes that unpredictable.
그때 이미 레지스탕스에 정보가 넘어간 필리스는 제거당하고 케이티의 비밀도 지켜집니다. 다음날 이른 새벽 아침부터 누군가가 윌을 찾아오는데
Will, I know you're in there. Open up.
Instant coffee that expired 2 years ago. Can we talk in private?
Yeah. I'll go take a shower.
필리스의 사망 소식을 전해 듣습니다.
She was shot in her home up in the GC.
그 소식은 케이티의 귀에도 들어가죠.
Phyllis is dead. Who killed her?
We knew they had someone essential working for them. You helped us figure out who. You did good work.
I thought we were just gathering intelligence.
케이트는 자신이 제공한 정보가 실제 죽음으로 이어졌다는 사실에 두려움과 혼란에 빠집니다. 필리스의 죽음 이후 더욱 바빠진 윌.
Geronimo's living here? I don't think so.
Drop the weapon! Stay still!
윌은 자신들을 제로니모라고 주장하는 두 사람을 체포합니다.
Are Geronimo?
Yes, we didn't have guns. We had something more powerful. We had words and images. We had the power to get inside people's heads.
How are you doing what you're doing? You are not one of them. You are one of us.
We're done. Let's go.
하지만 그들 또한 스나이더가 찾던 사람은 아니었죠.
I find Geronimo, you get me my son back. I held up my end of the bargain.
You put me in the unenviable
You're
position.
not moving the goalpost back on me. It's my son.
Moving a person from block to block is a whole bureaucratic process, which I am working on. In the meantime, you need to be helping me.
스나이더는 아들 찰리를 인질 삼아 윌에게 압박을 가하고
Now that Phyllis is dead, you're in charge of the unit. So find them.
스트레스 맥스 찍은 윌은 같이 일하는 직원 한 명을 호출하는데
I think you're the reason Phyllis is dead. Somebody's always one step ahead of us. There's only one way that can happen if we've got a leak.
You think I'm the leak? Why do you think Phyllis had your wife come into her office? We're passing information to the resistance without even knowing it. You'd be a fantastic source of information.
처음으로 든 케이티가 첩자일 수 있다는 생각에 윌은 눈앞이 캄캄해지죠.
The day of the firebombing, did you see anything unusual?
Mrs. Bowman asked me to take the kids to the park, and I missed the whole thing.
Okay, thanks.
결국 윌은 케이티 몰래 그녀의 바를 뒤져봅니다. 하지만 평범한 책과 잃어버린 아들 찰리의 물건만 숨겨져 있을 뿐 아무것도 발견하지 못하죠. 한편 학교에서 돌아온 브램은 여동생에게 선물을 하나 주는데
Markers? Where did you get these?
Hey. Markers.
콜로니 이후 쉽게 구할 수 없던 금지 물품이었죠.
Where'd you get those?
I traded a friend at school some oranges.
사실 브램은 여자친구 덕분에 장벽 너머의 구역까지 넘나들 수 있는 통로를 발견했고
You have keys for that?
My dad was GWP. He had keys for everything. Come on.
What's that noise? What's out there?
The rest of the world.
그 통로를 통해 그동안은 구하지 못했던 물품들을 얻을 수 있었죠. 브램은 여길 활용하여 망원경으로 콜로니 사태의 실마리를 추적하고 있는 선생님을 돕기로 하죠.
This is amazing. I think I can get one for you.
You can get a telescope lens. Tell you what, you find me that lens, and you and I are gonna figure out what those raps are doing up there.
한편 스나이더는 체포했던 반역자들이 제로니모가 아닌 것을 알면서도 방송을 통해 제로니모를 잡았다고 선동하는데
This is a special announcement from the Transitional Authority.
In a daring raid this morning by the brave men and women of our Homeland Security Forces, Geronimo's headquarters in the La Brea district were breached.
스나이더에게는 다른 꿍꿍이가 있었죠.
Yes, I briefed the Governor General, and we all heard your radio address.
Actually, as it turns out, Geronimo was more of a figurehead that words and images are the most powerful weapons we have. Take his power and use it for us.
스나이더는 제로니모 방송을 하던 DJ를 찾아가 거래를 시작합니다.
How'd you like a starring?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't want to go to the factory, do you? I need a patsy. You play Geronimo for me for a few days. I'll spare your life and get you relocated to another colony.
사람들에게 희망의 상징인 제로니모가 무력하게 무너지는 모습을 보여주기 위한 역할을 제안합니다.
Everyone hearing these words can help to root out the terrorists who would seek to upset the order and balance we now enjoy. It is the ruling of this court that the accused is hereby sentenced to death.
그렇게 스나이더는 제로니모의 몰락을 완벽히 연출해냈는데
Well done.
자신의 목적을 이루자 연기자를 냉정하게 제거해버립니다. 참혹한 공개 처형이 끝나고 윌과 함께 본부를 향하던 스나이더.
Public gets appeased and we remind them that law and order will endure in this block.
Because what you did is just gonna piss people off.
And when people see the consequences of participating in the resistance, they're gonna think twice before getting involved themselves.
언제나처럼 레드햇 경호원들이 스나이더를 에스코트하고 있었는데 어딘가 수상한 한 명.
Wait, that's Homeland!
They're not with us.
그동안 스나이더의 모든 행실에 분노한 레지스탕스는 스나이더를 납치하려는 작전을 계획했고 하지만 윌과 스나이더가 한 차에 타고 있을 것이라는 것을 예상 못했던 그가 잠시 주춤한 사이 윌은 스나이더를 데리고 도주하는데
That's 90 seconds. Drones are gonna be coming.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you.
그들이 안전한 곳으로 향하던 시각 바로 돌아온 케이티. 케이트를 만날 거라고 생각지도 못했던 건 윌도 마찬가지였고
We're gonna have to hold up here till help arrives.
We can't promise.
I'm gonna call Bo.
윌이 전화를 하러 간 사이
This is our chance. We should give Snyder up to whoever's looking for him.
And then another bureaucrat with a new agenda replaces us. Snyder's the devil we know.
둘의 대화를 엿들은 스나이더는 또다시 아들 찰리를 미끼로 꺼내고
I'm very happy to relay that my contacts in Santa Monica have just confirmed your son Charlie is alive.
If you are lying about this,
Are they bringing him back?
I don't have the power to navigate this on my own.
of course you don't.
But I'm working on it.
What are you doing?
Negotiating. I was going to introduce you to her before we got waylaid. I wouldn't lie about something like that.
꼬여버린 상황에 케이티에게는 또 곤란한 임무가 주어지고
I'm out the back door, and this all ends.
윌은 곧 닥칠 저항군에 맞서기 위해 준비하지만 케이티는 계속해서 고민하는데
You still believe anything that man says?
Everything we have is tied in.
We feel we made a deal with her, and you confirmed it.
He's a soldier. He accepted that.
더 이상 그녀를 기다려줄 수 없던 요원들은 결국
And I want him to die.
가족을 지키기 위해 했던 케이티의 행동은 결국 그녀를 반역자로 몰고 말았죠.
So where are we?
Send everyone left into hiding.
It all tracks now. Katie fed us bullshit. She's a double agent.
그 사건 이후 케이티는 더 이상 본부와 연락이 닿지 않습니다. 계속해서 연락을 시도하지만 돌아오는 건 웅담 메시지뿐이었죠.
No one's available. Please leave a message.
I went by your office. There was no one there.
한편 미래 회사에서는 에릭을 추적하기 시작합니다. 필리스의 권한이었던 데이터베이스 접근 코드를 받아낸 윌은 자신과 자신의 아내에게 총구로 겨눴던 그를 직접 찾아 나서죠.
You guys rode with Officer Dwight Ford, also known as D?
A couple times. It's always good, clean, professional. I saw that D had this tattoo on his chest. Skull with wings.
Skull with wings is a Force Recon tattoo. Marine Spec Ops.
그 시각 윌에게 쫓기고 있는 에릭은 그와 닮은 시신항구를 찾아 옮기고 있습니다. 그 시신을 불태워 윌에게 신분이 노출된 자신이 사망한 것처럼 위장을 하는데
Since Katie joined us, you've lost our armory, our chance at Snyder.
She gave us the head of the security wing.
I mean, maybe we're playing right into her plans.
그렇게 불에 탄 시신을 윌이 확인하지만
The cell is cleaning house again, just like they did with the Gateway bombing.
Guys that good don't go out like punks. Or that's exactly what our cell wants us to think.
윌은 쉽게 속지 않았죠.
Why can't you take it, man?
Got a gun on my wife.
한편 오늘도 본부로부터 연락을 기다리던 케이티 드디어 쪽지를 발견합니다. 암호를 읽어낸 후 케이티는 에릭과 접선하죠.
And I need you to be honest.
I've always been honest with you.
Have you ever given Will information on our cell? You killed Vasquez.
I've been clear from the beginning that my family comes first. Everything I have is on the line right now. I came to this cause because of you. And you question my loyalty.
에릭은 콰일에게 케이트를 제거하라는 명령을 받았지만 오랫동안 믿어왔던 그녀를 보며 망설이죠. 같은 시각 에릭에 대한 수사를 멈추지 않던 윌은 그가 여러 개의 신분으로 살아온 용병이었다는 것을
We
알아냅니다.
have one face with 14 different identities.
Means he isn't just ex-military. He was some kind of operator. Follow the rabbit hole, see where it goes. I know who he is.
What's his name?
Depends on the day. He ended up here for a reason. There must be some local connection.
Doing what?
I'm gonna find it, and then I'm gonna find him.
윌의 보고를 듣던 스나이더는 그에게 사진 한 장을 건네는데
This is for you.
What is it?
I have a daughter. I know what you're going through.
사진 속에는 아들 찰리의 모습이 담겨 있었죠.
So they know where he is. Those assholes were close enough to take a picture of my son, and we still don't have him home. We know that they're manipulating you with our baby, Will. You gotta get out from under their thumb.
But when I'm ready, on my terms.
찰리가 살아있는 것은 확인됐지만 그를 되찾기까지는 아직 갈 길이 멀어 보였는데 다음날 아침
Katie!
Will?
Guy that had a gun on you in New York. We just found out he's been in there before.
에릭에 대한 정보를 얻어낸 윌이 케이트에게 알립니다.
Look familiar?
I don't know.
Think hard. Sold out to a military contractor, and now he's a stone cold killer. He almost killed me and you in New York.
에릭이 위험에 처한 걸 알게 된 케이티는 또다시 선택의 기로에 서는데
Hey, got your message.
I came to them because I believe in this cause, and they're just gonna throw me away.
Broussard didn't go through with it. You're still standing here. Broussard needs you to remind him why he's fighting. He really does trust you, Katie, which is incredible because that man doesn't trust anybody.
다른 동료와 짧은 대화를 나눈 케이티는 곧 결심을 굳히고
He's coming for you.
다시 한번 에릭의 손을 잡기로 합니다. 윌은 예상대로 에릭의 은신처를 급습하지만
Let's go.
에릭은 이미 자취를 감춘 뒤였죠. 대신 그는 책 한 권을 발견하는데 그 책은 케이티도 소지하고 있던 바로 그 책이었죠. 그리고 공장으로 끌려갔던 카를로스는 매일 똑같이 반복되는 일상을 살고 있습니다. 그곳의 현실은 참혹하기 짝이 없었는데 사실 지구 바깥 어딘가에서 돌아가는 미지의 곳이었죠.
It's not going to get any closer just because you keep staring at it. It's depressing.
이 와중에 브램은 아무도 몰랐던 이 진실의 실마리를 조금씩 찾아가고 있었죠.
I'm not sure as I wasn't there a year ago. We need professional gear. We need infrared or a radio telescope. It's just conjecture until we can get a clearer look at whatever is going on. What do you think's up there? It's a base, a shipyard or a mine, and that's why we never see him.
한편 케이티에 대한 의심이 커져가던 윌은 케이티의 상의 없이 아이들에게 찰리의 소식을 전하고
Charlie's okay.
I miss him.
We all do, Bear.
What in the hell was that?
They needed to know. Shouldn't be any secrets in our house.
둘의 관계가 점점 악화되기 시작하죠. 결국 계속되는 작전 실패와 가족들을 위험에 몰고 있다는 죄책감에 케이티는 레지스탕스 일을 그만두려 하는데
I want him. I knew it was bad, but I'll go to him and tell him that you served your time, that he needs to leave you and your family alone, or I'm out too. Thank you.
그녀를 믿어주는 동료의 격려에 다시 마음을 되돌리죠. 그 시각 윌은 뜻밖의 전화를 받습니다.
You've been looking for a leak in your department.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Someone who knows the source is your wife.
바로 콰일이 케이티가 첩자라고 제보를 하는 전화였는데
Do I have your attention? If I so much as sniff surveillance, I'm gone.
콰일은 윌에게 파격적인 조건을 내겁니다.
I run her cell. He's the guy you want, and I'm prepared to give him up.
People died for you, and you're just gonna sell them out.
Here are my terms. I'll roll in my cell and absent your wife, of course. Fully stocked pickup truck.
윌은 혼란스러웠지만 일단 콰일을 믿기로 하고 케이티에게 이 사실을 털어놓습니다.
The head of their cell came in today. He wants to deal. I think he's spooked. He's willing to give up Broussard to save his own ass.
That's great news. I told Ben I'd cover the late shift tonight at the Yonk.
콰일의 배신으로 모든 게 무너질 수 있는 지금 케이티는 신중한 선택이 필요했죠.
I have an emergency. It's my porch. I think the whole thing is about to fall down.
그녀의 선택은 바로 에릭이었습니다.
So?
Quayle sold us out.
I think your emotions are clouding your judgment.
So I know that you executed the other cell, and I know why you brought me up to Griffith Park. When the Red Hats were headed to your house, I still called you because you're the reason I joined the Resistance and not Quayle.
케이티의 진심에도 에릭은 콰일의 배신을 믿을 수 없는데
Are you talking to the occupation?
Is that a real question? This comes from Katie, right? Maybe she's playing a longer con.
콰일은 끝까지 사실을 부인하고 오히려 케이티를 첩자로 몰아가죠.
Her husband got to us, got to you. They found your house, and that was deeply hidden.
You didn't answer my question.
Am I talking to the occupation? No, I am not.
콰일과 대화를 나눈 에릭은 계획대로 점령군 고위 관료들이 참석하는 VIP 행사장 습격 작전을 계속하기로 합니다.
How do we know we're in a big setup?
We don't, but you wanted to meet him.
반면 에릭에게 다시 신뢰를 얻어낸 콰일은 그를 함정에 빠뜨릴 계획을 계속하죠.
I can give you what you need. Something real. I'll set up a meeting. Broussard will be there, along with some other bonus prizes. And then when everyone is in your custody, your man Bowman here will escort me through the wall and out of the colony. When you're going after Broussard, don't miss.
그렇게 서로 다른 계획이 생긴 작전 당일 콰일의 말대로 에릭이 현장에 등장하는데
Keep in contact.
케이티가 행사장 주변에서 수상한 움직임을 먼저 감지하죠.
Red Hats. Red Hats.
It's blown.
Go, go, Rachel, go!
그녀의 도움으로 에릭은 또 한 번 붙잡힐 위기에서 벗어나지만
Potential target taking evasive action. White female, short brown hair, blue shirt.
그 대가로 케이티를 지지해주었던 동료가 사망하고 맙니다. 작전을 실패한 후 복귀한 윌.
Truly excellent work, like finishing third in the Super Bowl.
We captured him with one of the cameras in the market. CIA station chief in Berlin.
Maybe we can still save this shit show. Let's get him to interrogation. Where is he now?
콰일이 한때 CIA 고위 정보원이었다는 사실을 알게 되고 직접 콰일을 신문하러 찾아갑니다.
Snyder canceled the deal.
스나이더의 배신에 분노한 콰일은 윌을 도발하고
I could hide in your house for 6 months. You'd never even know I was there. You claim that these idiots didn't search me in the right way. You walked in here, I get the jump on you, and you had to help me out the back door.
Why did you recruit her?
Broussard and I both saw great potential in Katie.
The art of deception is a natural talent, and your wife has it in spades.
윌은 케이트에 대해 너무 많은 것을 알고 있는 콰이를 제거합니다.
All right. Now what?
그날 밤 케이트는 VIP 테러 현장에서 숨진 동료들의 시신이 전시되어 있는 것을 발견합니다.
But this isn't over. Opportunity will come again, and when it does, I want you there with me. This is why we fight.
공포와 통제의 상징이 되어버린 그 장면을 케이트는 한없이 바라보죠.
The cell that attacked us is done. You don't have to worry about them anymore.
과연 케이트에게 다시 점령군에 맞서 싸울 기회가 올까요? 그리고 윌과 케이트는 침략자들의 정체를 밝혀내고 잃어버린 아들 찰리를 되찾을 수 있을까요? 오늘 소개해드린 작품은 2016년부터 방영된 미국 USA 네트워크 드라마 콜로니의 시즌1입니다. 퍼지 시리즈를 제작한 칼튼 큐즈가 총괄 제작을 맡아 기다려보았던 작품이죠. 외계 존재에 의해 점령된 미래의 LA, 이른바 장벽도시라는 독특한 세계관 속에서 가족을 지키기 위해 침략자와 협력하게 된 전직 FBI 요원 윌과 반대로 레지스탕스의 일원이 되어 싸움을 선택한 그의 아내 케이티의 이중적인 서사를 따라가며 협력과 저항 사이의 윤리적 딜레마를 심도 있게 다룬 작품입니다. SF 디스토피아 배경 위에 다양한 재미를 느낄 수 있었는데요. 시즌 후반부로 갈수록 공장이라 불리는 의문의 장소와 장벽 너머 세계에 대한 단서가 등장하며 시즌2의 궁금증을 더욱 불러일으켰습니다. 정치적 의미와 묵직한 주제를 다루면서도 첩보극처럼 몰입도 있는 높은 전개가 이어지기 때문에 디스토피아 배경의 드라마를 좋아하시는 분들께 추천드립니다.